You are unique. Your love story is your own. You want your wedding to be just as distinct as you are. Bridal shows include the region's best, and that's just what you'll meet. I'm Jamie Johnson with Custom Weddings, a boutique bridal event created with you in mind. The region's top event producers are on hand for plenty of one-on-one, and they're full of bright ideas. Join me and our experts at the 4th Annual Custom Weddings event on Saturday, January 19th at the Coeur d'Alene Resort Hagadon Event Center. Aerial flyers will entertain delicious cakes and treats from the top caterers and bakers, and delightful bubbly, and amazing lakeside views from the Coeur d'Alene Resort Hagadon Event Center. You'll get to take home some surprises, plus a chance to win a romantic getaway, or even a wedding gown from Storybook Bridal. I can't wait to see you on the 19th. Visit CustomWeddingNW.com. Custom Weddings. Your wedding is our calling.